Hey everyone. My daughter fixed my fan, so now it's not making all that crazy noise. Whew. It is hot. The weather was between 40 and 60. I love that kind of weather. And now it's back up to like 79. It's driving me nuts. It's humid. You go outside, it's beautiful. There's a cool breeze. And then as soon as you go into the house, it is so stuffy. So putting on your air conditioner, you're really wasting money because all you have to really do is open up the windows and the doors. Unfortunately, most of my windows are covered with furniture since the apartment is so small. So we open up the back door, we have all the fans going, trying not to use that air conditioner. I'm so angry. It's December and I just want that cool air. Alright, it's supposed to go up to 79. We had a big thunderstorm, so it dropped to 73. It's the humidity that's bad. Oh, Lordy. Okay. Alright. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using the blues. The blues here. And probably that brown. Let's get started. I'm using one of the old Idolites in blue, the light blue one. Just putting that on right here. A little bit more in there. I'm going to start with the really light one on the bottom. Alright, let's do this this other blue. I'll probably be more of a transition color. It's pretty though. It's got some shimmer in it. The other one is like this bottom is more metallic-y. This one has like a slight shimmer in it. I'm gonna definitely have to use this brown here. Just going over it with the transition color. I'm gonna actually try this since I did use brown. I'm gonna try this. And if I don't like it, then I'll use the lighter. No, that's fine. A little too much gold, but I guess it's fine. I'm also going to use it for the inner corner again. So I'm going to finish doing my makeup. I'm going to use the white and the blue. I'm going to finally use this. The lip. I did the other one. Like I said, it's kind of scratchy, but it removes all the dead skin cells. So I'll use that as a lip balm before I do these two. And I'll be using this as well with these brushes. So I didn't get a chance to do my hair. My husband has a lot of time off, so he's been taking Fridays off. Friday's grocery day, so we wind up doing groceries on Sundays after he comes back from church. So this Thursday I'm going to refreshen my hair because it just really needs it. So I use the pinker colors of the lip mousse and the lip gloss. This one's shimmery, but the other one had more glitter in it. I did use the lip balm. It wasn't as smooth as I like it. didn't go on as smooth, but my lips were moisturized. I use this for my cheeks. I used the brushes, which was pretty cool. These two brushes. Picked up a lot of product. I don't think this is really a blush. It's probably more like a face powder or something, but I just wanted to try it out as the blush. And then I used this for the highlighter. And of course, you know, you like blend it with your face powder. And then I use this white on the inner waterline, and then the blue as the liner on the bottom. So yeah, that's what I did, and used the spray again and again. I didn't smell anything. The eyeshadow smells pretty, but anyway, so